This tiny bone, mas matanda pa sa Tabunman.
Ready ka na ba? Today, let's meet the first Filipino.
In 2007, deep in the jungles of Cagayan, Filipino archaeologists found a single toe bone inside Calao Cave. That bone was 67,000 years old, older than any human remains ever found in the Philippines. It proved someone lived here long before history books could name them.
Itong small fossil bone, the toe that rewrote our history.
Yung maliit na buto, turns out, it's 67,000 years old. Mas matanda pa siya kaysa sa Tabunman na 47,000 taong gulang. That makes it the oldest known human fossil ever discovered in the Philippines and one of the oldest in Southeast Asia. Imagine that, a tiny toe bone unlocking a massive chapter of our ancient story.
A new species found right here sa Pilipinas.
Hindi doon nagtapos. After more digging, nakahanap sila ng mga ngipin, piraso ng femur, at mga buto ng daliri. These weren't just random bones. They were part of an ancient skeleton, enough to realize this was no ordinary Homo sapien. There was something different about this species. Dahil sa kakaibang features ng mga buto, maliit, curved ang fingers at kakaiba ang ngipin, scientists decided this was a new species of ancient human. And so they named it Homo luzonensis in honor of Luzon Island where it was found. Isa na namang patunay na the Philippines plays a big role in the story of human evolution.
Pero, paano sila nakarating dito kung napapalibutan tayo ng tubig? Let's find out!
Panahon ng Ice Age, bumaba ang sea levels. Dahil dito, nagkaroon ng mga tinatawag na land bridges, mga tuyong daan ng lupa na kumonekta sa Southeast Asia at Pilipinas. Ang mga early humans tulad ni Calauman, maaaring tumawid sa mga land bridges o kaya ay gumamit ng primitive bamboo rafts para tumawid ng dagat. Picture them, sailing under the stars, trusting currents, guided by instinct. Hindi basta-basta ang ginawa nila. It took skill, courage, and the will to explore.
Mas matanda pa siya sa Tabunman. Over 20,000 years ang agwat.
Noong sinaunang panahon, ang Luzon ay puno ng malalawak na gubat. Nandyan ang mga hayop na wala na ngayon, gaya ng dwarf elephants, giant rodents, at wild deer. The early humans survived by foraging, climbing trees, hunting small animals, and adapting to their wild surroundings.
Ang Calauman ba ang unang Filipino? Not by name, but maybe in spirit.
Calauman is more than just bones. He represents the earliest known Filipino. Bago pa dumating ang mga Malay, Austronesian o Kastila, narito na sila, living, breathing, thriving sa lupang ito. This isn't just their story, it's ours.
In the next episode, we'll dive into the heart of our ancient leadership, how the barangay thrived under wise datus.
Don't forget to click all the bells and stay with Lola on this journey through time.